Hello everybody, my name is Franco Francese and I am from Italy, but my life I living so long time in Germany, so this means I have a lot of experience in automotive. And what I learned in my 45 years in that time, I will give this company because I chose top talent because it's very, very serious and he makes so good quality. And I meet a lot of company here in China, but Top Talent was the best one what I chose. And now I start here in this company and I will help to get a very good quality and a small price. This means a Chinese price. And we are the best one in China. I guess we will be the #1 in China for quality and for price.